is going on with me? My brain is having a huge brain fart. It's going toot toot toot. I think it pooped on itself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Motivational Monday. I'm at my desk right now because I'm doing some study tips today. I'm doing study tips because I'm right in the middle of testing. I don't know about you, but it's this big test that we have to take every year. I hate it, but even though I hate it, I still study really hard for it. And you guys might be in the middle of testing season too. I'm just gonna share some study tips I have for you because I just want you guys to stay focused and motivated. Study tip number 1 is have flashcards. Flashcards are super important because it's like a mini test before the test. You can write down all the information on them and flash them in front of yourself. Put the answers on the back so you remember the answer, and if you get it wrong, just turn it over and put it to the back so you keep going over and over again until you memorize it. So the next study tip, I can't speak today. Number 2 is study for 30 minutes at a time. Our brain can only really memorize it. Make sure you memorize it. Today I can't speak. Rememberize is not a word. Memorize is not a word. Remember it. Study for 30 minutes at a time. Our brain can really only remember the first 15 minutes and the last 15 minutes of our study time. So there's really no use of studying hours and hours and hours on end because we're not even going to remember it all. So set a timer on your phone or any device you really have. Something you also want to do while you're studying is study at your desk and not your bed. Your bed is for sleeping because if you lay on your bed and start doing it, first of all, it's hard to write on your bed, and second of all, you'll get lazy and tired and just say, I'll lay down for a couple of seconds, and you won't really get any work done. Tip number 4 or 3. Remember to take a break. Because if you keep going at it, you're gonna overload your brain. If you're like me and you overload your brain, then you just forget the things you already did. It's like you add something in and then you gotta take something out for it to fit. So that's why you wanna take a break, grab a snack, grab some water, and just relax before going back and studying. Just to give yourself a nice break. And also, don't take too long of a break because then you'll forget all the other stuff you did and you won't even want to go back to studying. What is going on with me? My brain is having a huge brain fart. It's going toot toot toot. I think it pooped on itself. Tip number 4. You want to use bright, colorful markers, colorful notepads, anything colorful to get you in the mood. So do all the things, say like testing on it, and highlight it with a really pretty color just to make yourself in the mood so it's not all black and white and dull. Make it fun for yourself. Tip number 5. Have a group chat with your friends so you guys can compare notes and just compare other things, and if you forgot something, like, oh, maybe a friend had it and you didn't and you remembered it. So that's why having a group chat is really good. A studying group chat. Don't just give away the answers. Wink, wink. Also, having a group chat is really good because you won't feel so alone while studying because it can get lonely and boring. Studying is something that we all have to do, but it doesn't have to be boring and you don't have to be alone while doing it. Studying should be light and you should not stress so much where you're just like, ugh, and you just don't want to do it anymore and you just hate it. So make it light and colorful and exciting and fun so you don't stress so much. Please just make your studying light because you shouldn't end up hating yourself after you're done studying because stress is bad for you too. Good luck this testing season because, whoo, this baby hard. I hope these studying tips helped you guys a lot. They really do help me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I love you.